Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
A light meter measures scene luminance to set exposure accurately. Handheld meters report exposure values in EV or as camera settings. There are two main types of metering, incident and reflective, and each gives different readings. Always set the meter to your camera ISO before taking any reading. Modern meters can output recommended aperture and shutter combinations for a given ISO. Many models include spot capability, incident dome, and flash measurement features for studio and location work. Learn these basics first to avoid exposure guesswork. Incident metering measures light falling on the subject with a white dome. Hold the dome at subject position and aim the back to the camera lens. Incident readings ignore subject tone and give neutral exposure for correct midtones. Reflective metering measures light bouncing off subjects and varies with subject brightness. Point the meter at the camera from the subject location for reflective results. Use incident readings for portraits and reflective for landscape or spot framing decisions when subject tone matters. Measure ambient incident light, set meter ISO to match your camera, and record the EV or settings. Choose an aperture and shutter from the meter's recommended combinations for depth and motion control. For flash, switch the meter to flash mode and trigger the flash for a guide number reading. You can also use TTL for quick balancing and then verify with a handheld meter for accuracy. Apply exposure compensation or adjust flash power to reach the desired EV and protect highlights or shadows when necessary.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.